this demo, we'll be discussing the benefits of our Kubernetes Agent Operator. The new Relic Kubernetes Agent Operator offers full-stack observability for Kubernetes environments by automating APM instrumentation in conjunction with Kubernetes agent deployment. With the Kubernetes Agent Operator, you get one-step APM and Kubernetes instrumentation by providing a simple installation and one-time setup to instrument APM in Kubernetes. Simple agent upgrades, APM agents are automatically updated to the version you decide without needing to recreate the container and deploy it. Empowered DevOps teams, they gain independence by automatically instrumenting APM agents without relying on app developers. Full-stack observability is enabled out of the box. By installing the operator along with the Kubernetes integration, you'll gain relevant insights across your entire stack, from the application down to the cluster. Installing the Kubernetes Agent Operator to enable automatic instrumentation requires only a few steps. First, we need to install the Certificate Manager to automate the management of the certificates needed by the operator. It is very simple. We just need to run two commands. Once done, we install the Kubernetes Agent Operator together with our Kubernetes integration. The operator can be installed as standalone, but we recommend to install as part of our Kubernetes integration, like we're going to do now. Deploying all the pods can take a while depending on your cluster resources. Now, the operator and the Kubernetes integration are installed in the cluster. There is only one step pending, which is configuring the application namespace to enable the operator. Installing a secret in our instrumentation CRD in the namespace. Now the app's namespace is ready to host auto-instrumented applications. Let's now deploy a Java application in the app's namespace. Enabling auto-instrumentation is as easy as adding a simple annotation. In this case, I'm going to edit the deployment manifest file of the Java application to add the required annotation. The annotation is already added in the file. In this case, let's add the deployment to the cluster. Let's now check if the pods have been properly installed. In this case, they have been. Let's take a look at the pod of the Java application. As you can see, a new container has been applied to the pod running the application, which is new Relic instrumentation. The mutating webhook installed by the operator checks new pods deployed in the cluster. Note that the operator has mutated the pod by injecting an init container, which instruments the application container. Now the application is instrumented. Now let's take a look at the full stack observability automatically provided by the operator. Let's start the user journey by taking a look at the Java application we just instrumented. On the summary page, we can view the most relevant insights from the application, such as transaction time, throughput, and the number of errors. The purpose of this video is to showcase our full stack capabilities. So let's focus on the Kubernetes option. In this page, you can analyze all the relevant metrics of your application like service throughput or network usage or Kubernetes metrics, like CPU, memory, or the status of the deployment belonging to your application. In case you need more details, we can delve deeper into the cluster by accessing our Kubernetes Navigator to observe the entire cluster. The Kubernetes Navigator allows users to effortlessly group entities and identify high resource consumption, capacity issues, alert statuses, and other entity-related data for components such as nodes, pods, deployments, daemon sets, and jobs. To know more about recent events, we can utilize the Events UI. Here we can review the latest occurrences, including details of how the Java application was deployed. We've just demonstrated some of the full-stack observability experiences that are automatically enabled by the Kubernetes Agent Operator. We encourage you to try it out and experience the benefits firsthand. New Relic has eliminated the necessity of installing multiple agents and manually instrumenting application containers prior to deployment in the cluster. During the preview phase, we'd love to receive your feedback while we continue to enhance the operator. If you require additional information, please visit our public documentation website or our GitHub repository. That's all for now. I hope you found the demo informative and enjoyable.